What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and here is part 2, which should be the final part of my Blackwing getting remaked over. That didn't make sense. But today I am selling my hood, and I'm going with a different carbon fiber hood. Can't show y'all just yet. I am on the way to practice. Oh, by the way, I am a boxer, guys, so if y'all didn't know that, I am on the way to practice right now, and after practice, I'm selling my hood first, and I'm going to buy a new hood. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done with all the things that I'm gonna catch y'all when I go to the shop, because the shop has my hood, apparently. So, not apparently, but they have my hood. So, yeah, I got some more updates for y'all guys. I will come back to y'all when I go back to the shop. As y'all see, I'm getting the tires taken off, and I'm getting new tires put on there. So, hey bro, can I record? Yeah, can I okay, yeah. All right guys, so as y'all see, here's the old tires. New tires are going on. Finally got some new tires. These tires is beat down to the floor. Yeah, man, we should be good. So, as y'all see, I'm here at East Coast, some tires. They gave me actually a good deal. For 2 tires, I got them for $650. I think for install, I got them for like 700. No, yeah, like 25 a tire, yeah. So it sounds about right. So y'all see, not too bad. Oh, also, here is one more other thing that I didn't tell y'all as far as the tires go. Damn, I ain't slammed my tire like that. Okay, I am taking everything back. Not taking everything back, but the guy who's doing my powder coats is gonna re-powder coat this. He's gonna re-powder coat this. I wanted more of a goldish color, so he's gonna get that done. He said not to powder coat this side because the starts to rust when you powder coat over the primary color that it came with. So I am gonna go back and I'm gonna do a more gold color for this. I'm gonna do it free. So I'm gonna need some new tires on this one next, boy, but whatever. I don't know why my tires always don't fit in this thing car. Whatever, I don't care no more. But yeah, guys, so let me go ahead and get these tires mounted on, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so here's the old tires on. Here's the new boys right here. Hey, bro, which one of these you think is savable that I can use for a spare? Or are they both like completely bad? Because I know one of them was showing. I think it was one of these. Fuck. Yeah. It was showing like wires. But it wasn't on both of them. Alright, guys. So as y'all see, this is what I was talking about. The old tire had a lot of wire on it. This is just one though. I'm gonna still keep one for like safety reasons. But as y'all see, I use Mickey Thompson Sportman SRs. It's 18 size. I think the tires are right here. 26 by 6 on 18s. So I'm gonna still keep this one for like emergencies and shit. But as far as the tire itself, I shouldn't have no problems unless I get some stupid shit. But other than that, I got front tires. So let's load these up into the car, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Today is the day that they're gonna actually start in the car. SEMA just passed, so they can work on my car. They was working on a lot of other shop cars to get them up and running. So we can actually go and get our car done. I'm gonna head to the shop right now. In the meantime, let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm currently doing. Y'all see I'm at the shop right now. So, Mr. Larry, as y'all know, Suave Road, he's getting his car done. He's getting his car back. About time. His car been in the shop. Around the same time my car has been in the shop, maybe for about a month and a half or so. As y'all see, he got some things done. Carbon fiber diffuser, new badges, definitely new drag packs. Got that bullshit. But it's not too bad. Oh, he got a carbon hood. He's getting another carbon hood. Okay. For some odd reason.
Oh, it doesn't go tighter. It doesn't go tighter.
Hey, bro. You mind popping the hood, bro? Oh, go ahead. So guys, he did blow a turbo, so he had to replace both turbos. Well, not both. He got another OEM turbo. He went custom. Hey, bro, what made you do that, bro?
Something coming soon. Not gonna say, but something is coming soon.
Oh man, whatever that's supposed to mean. So let's see. Got a whole little custom change. The car don't look too bad, bro. Still slower than my shit, but it don't look too bad.
Okay, cool. Put some E85 in it. I'm thinking the ratio's off. That's why it's kind of. Oh, that's why it's stuttering. Yeah. Maybe it's like E freaking 20 instead of E30 or something. You can add a gauge so you can see how much I know. Yeah.
Guys, so y'all see his car. Let's go ahead and head to the shop. All right, guys, finally back at the shop. These fuckers finally decided to start today.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, so what we doing tonight?
We're pulling the damn motor out.
Pulling the motor out, guys.
Finally.
Find the fucking lead. A lot of work today.
After doing nothing for me.
They had to get cars ready for SEMA. So I respect it. Can't say nothing about it. Now they finna build the fastest Blackwing all of SoCal. Ain't that right, bro? Yeah? Got some cleaning to do. Let's get to it. Alright, guys. If y'all never seen an Asian inside.
Is it B26? I'm old school. It's B18.
Nigga say else you only 30.
B.
What's going on, bro? Look how dirty this fucking motor is, bro.
Going inside, bro.
The fuck are you doing now?
I'm gonna take the last few bolts out and pull this bitch out.
Yeah, I heard them guys, so.
So many shit in here.
God damn, look at my pistons. My pistons does not look healthy, bro. Alright, guys. Dirty ass motor being pulled. Damn. Look at my pistons. This does not look healthy.
I know, right? You're
At
fucking...
this point, I think the ATSV probably do better than you.
You got jokes, huh?
Get the fucking light out. Pick up this one.
Chewy!
Joey! Joey!
Damn, look at this motor. This shit is burned. Like, this motherfucker was in a car accident or something.
Belt accident.
Belt accident.
Belt.
Oh, belt accident. Alright, guys. Motor's out. Oh, let me turn the light on. Motor's out, guys. Y'all see me ripping belts, did a lot of damage. Like, it completely ripped the wires. See that? Look at this. Jesus Christ. It's a fucking mess. Look at the fucking engine bay, bro. Shit's cooked. Oh my god. We're gonna clean all this. All right, YouTube. So I am with my guy Larry, trooping it. Right now, we're trying to go buy a hood. So before, other door?
No, I think the entrance is that way.
Trying to go buy this hood. We're at Auto Addicts right now. We went in here. We saw a bunch of refrigerators. So, see, I got the truck on me. We're gonna see what we can do. When we get to the hood, we'll get back to y'all. All right, guys. So we went to the wrong location. Apparently, I don't know where the fuck we just went to, but we're on a mission today. First, we're going to sell our hood, or my first hood, and then we're going to get this new hood. So hopefully I don't regret buying this new hood. But apparently this might be the best decision for my car. So anyways, guys. Y'all ain't see my boy Suave in a minute, bro. What's going on, man?
Bro, car broke. Everything broke.
Everything broke. I feel him though. Shit, we both of them got a car right now. His car is in the shop. His car fucking blew up. It's some bad shit going around here. I don't know what's going on, but I already know what's going on. It's fucking Christmas season.
I ain't feeling jolly.
Every time this bullshit ass season come around, money, because shit get to breaking. I feel like they do that shit on purpose. I feel like they make you buy shit in the beginning of the year. Some motherfucking break down on you during the whole entire year just so you get a fucking new one. Hey, bro, I'm done spending money. When I get to the real auto addicts, I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all. So, as y'all see, we are here at Auto Addict. Hey, bro, look at this Blackwing. Here is their production vehicle. You see, they got all the new carbon teeth. Look, these are what I was talking about. Just for this and this?
This is 2025?
2025, yeah. Here's the new Blackwing with all their trim levels. These two. Is that hood placed down? Oh, man, that's scary. I wonder why it's like that. See this? But here's the hood that I'm buying, guys. Y'all didn't know. It looks better in person, though. What's this thing?
It do look better in person.
So you can see the engine bay and whatnot. Here's their carbon diffuser. Now here's their mask. I love this right here. This shit right here. Oh, it's a Stingray. I was gonna say. Huh? Whole car. What's going on? It's the whole carbon car right here, guys. God damn. Let's go in here and see what they're talking about, bro. Here is the hood, guys. Some cool ass stuff in here, though. Oh, man. Unwrapping. It's the new hood. I plan on buying. Appreciate. Let me go ahead and shout out the guys at Auto Addict. They do some amazing work. Did buy the hood. They got this dope ass Z06 over here though. Apparently they got a lot more things in for the Blackwing for production, so hopefully soon we can get that going. Let me go ahead and pay the rest off real quick. That's fire. So that's Auto Addict CT5 V 1000 horsepower Blackwing. That motherfucker sound good, man. I didn't know it was manual. Damn, it's manual? Oh man. Alright, YouTube. So that part is done. Me and my boy Larry I bought the hood, he came with me. Well, let's go ahead and give a big shout out to my nigga Larry. This nigga right here is a fucking trooper. We done been to Fresno 3 times. We done been to fucking Vegas. No, where have we not been to? This nigga right here is my trooper. This nigga, I called this nigga, I said, hey, wake up, get ready. All right. Like, this is crazy. Like, we really be on go. Just want to give a big shout out. Hey, go ahead and shout your YouTube out, bro.
Living Like Larry, or it's also going to be Suave World. SUAVEWRLDD.
Hey, y'all want to watch some good car content? Go watch this nigga shit. I don't drop content. I'm not gonna lie. I be busy, bro. I don't be lazy. This nigga right here, he be editing all types of stuff. So I am gonna drop more content for y'all. I didn't have a car, so I couldn't really drop as much content as I want to. Unless y'all want to see me buy parts all the damn time, then sure, go ahead. But other than that, though, he actually does car content. The car meets and all that. So, definitely check him out. Anyways, so turns to find out, hey, I'm not a fan of putting people down. However, EOS.com, they sell the worst CT5 carbon hoods ever. I've been to 3 shops and they all make my hood look like shit. I'm not too much of a carbon fan, like as far as like rating carbon. It looked good on my car. The fitment was 50-50. However, when you take it to real people, like people who actually deal with carbon fiber, they all told me that shit was trash. I hate to say it because I spent $1,700 on that hood, but if you're a CT5 guy, if you got a little extra money, go to Auto Addict. Especially if you're in SoCal. I live in SoCal. Y'all see it's raining outside. If y'all live out here in SoCal, definitely go check out Auto Addict. They're a little bit more expensive. However, their quality does show the difference between the two. So if you're looking to go buy a hood or any carbon fiber parts on your cars, definitely go check them out. They do all custom molds for every car. Go check them out. All right, YouTube. So took a little side quest. It's just Suave here. New day. Oh, if y'all didn't know, we picked up a new Escalade V. This is my parents' Escalade V. They traded in their 2022 Escalade V and got a 2025. So just bought it off the lot, brand new still. It's kind of dirty, but brand new. Got like 300 miles on there, and we're taking it to go get it wrapped. We're at the wrap shop. Getting it wrapped. Can't tell y'all the color yet. Shout out to my guy Gilbert, man. What's going on, man? He doing my Cadillac and he's doing my mom's Cadillac, so it's pretty dope. We gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all when the car is done, but for now.
All right, YouTube. So that'll be the end of this video. This is part 2. I have one more part that's going to conclude the entire rebuild process. Just want to appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I'm going to drop way more content than I am doing now when this car is done. It'll be way worth it. And I just got crazy content for y'all, man. But this is my outro. I'm at work. I'm not doing anything. So I'm editing the video actually as right now as we speak. So let me get to it. I got part 3 coming for y'all, which is final. That's the finale. And you guys will see how the car comes out. So once again, guys, appreciate for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.